The subheading is replacement of alpha hydrogen atoms. Replacement of alpha hydrogen atoms. Replacement of alpha hydrogen atoms. Means if you take CH3 C double bond OH reaction with chlorine, what it is? Chloral is giving chloral. CCl3 C double bond OH. Suppose if you take acetone with chlorine, if you take excess amount of chlorine, okay. And one more observation is here, only one side chlorination is taking place, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. With chlorine, CH3, C double CCl2, C double bond O, CH2, CH. Okay, any one place. Next, replacement of oxygen atom. Replacement of oxygen atom. R C double bond O R dash. Reaction with PCl5. Two chlorines join here. R dash. Two chlorines. That oxygen coming to here phosphorus POCl3. Similarly, SOCl2 is there, suppose SOCl2. Same reaction. Two chlorines, SO and oxygen, sulfur dioxide is formed. Sulfur dioxide gas. Next, halo formation. Third one, star mark, important because it comes under functional group distinguished test also. Halo formation test. Halo formation. Halo formation test. CH3 C double bond O groups react with iodine in the presence of NaOH, produce haloform, iodoform, produce iodoform. If you take bromine, bromoform. Like now, note point here. Carboxylic acids and their derivatives not perform this test. Not perform this test. Okay, next. CH3 C double bond OCH3. I am taking iodine plus NaOH. The product is any one of the methyl is breaking and forming CHI3. Iodoform is forming. The remaining part becomes carboxylic acid. CH3 COO. Dekho, here NaOH only is there. NaOH is there means carboxylate forming. In the second step, diluted HCl is there, carboxylic acid you can write. So, filal I am writing here sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. I will write the mechanism here. CH3 C double bond O CH2 iodine. See hydrogen. Hyperconjugation is there. So hyperconjugation में क्या होता है? So it is coming like this. Okay. So I am taking here base OH minus base. So CH3 oxygen minus double bond CH2 plus water. The next step, when oxygen is coming back, here this bond is iodine is there. We are taking iodine and NaOH. So CH3 C double bond O CH2 iodine. Okay. Next, similarly again reaction with OH minus first step, then the second step iodine. So it is forming CH3 C double bond O CHI2 CHI2. One more hydrogen replaced with iodine. Okay. Then again this process is continuing. Same, first step OH minus, second step I2. Then the product is here CH3 C double bond O CI3 CI3. Now next hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, or I can say OH minus. OH minus. Now this OH minus is attacking O minus CH3 carbon oxygen minus CI3 now OH. See, in the first and second and third case, here only CH2, CH3 groups are there. That time the releasing is difficult. Okay, which are the eliminating groups? The weak bases are eliminating groups. Okay, now here CI3 group is there. Now it is good living group. Now it can release. Now it can release. So what it is forming? See here. CH3 C double bond O OH carboxylic acid and CI3 minus. The next step, protonation. See, carboxylic acid means H plus it can donate. It is required H plus. So the next step, CH3 C double bond O minus. Then CHI3. This is the iodoform. Understood? A little bit similar to aldol condensation. Aldol condensation में क्या था? OH minus taking alpha hydrogen. Carbon ion बन गया. In the aldol, what's happening? The carbon ion is attacking on another aldehyde. But here, just again reacting with one more OH minus. Then next immediately reacting with iodine. Here iodine is there, that's why it's reacting with iodine. It's going on. See here, suppose carboxylic acid is there. I given you the note point. Carboxylic acid derivatives are not performing this test, including carboxylic acid. Suppose if you take OH minus, then what will happen? So salt banega. Acid and base, so salt banega. It cannot take H plus from here. Here तो पुकड़ में मिल रहा है हाइड्रोजन, इधर से क्यों लेना है ना? It's required H plus. H plus is coming from here only. So here it's not there. That's why it is taking from alpha position. So here it cannot take from alpha position. That's why carboxylic acid is not giving the test. So what about carboxylic acid derivative? Suppose CH3, C double bond O, Cl is there. Okay, OH minus. If it is taking OH minus, okay, it is giving H plus CH2 minus C double bond O Cl. When it is coming back, it is going up. While it is coming back, chlorine is releasing. Chlorine is releasing. Okay, so what it is forming here? CH2 double bond C double bond O. Okay, there is no iodoform test here. Double bond is there. Okay, so due to those reasons, carboxylic acid and their derivatives are not giving iodoform test. What's happening here? When the oxygen is forming double bond, that time reacting with iodine. But here, when it is coming down, chlorine is there, good living group. It is living. Okay, iodine से reaction नहीं हो रहा है उधर. That's why those carboxylic acid and their derivatives are not giving this test. Okay, note down fast. It's important. See, yesterday I explained you aldol, very important. Direct, indirectly asking the question. Now you keep the heading intramolecular aldol condensation. Intramolecular aldol condensation. Like this. Now it is reaction with diluted NaOH. Diluted NaOH. Right? So what's happening here? Diluted NaOH means first aldol condensation. Diluted NaOH aldehyde ketone is there means 99% वो reaction होता है aldol condensation. ठीक है? See, two possibilities are there. One is इधर भी हाइड्रोजन है CH2. Here also hydrogen is there. Alpha hydrogen. This one also alpha hydrogen. You can take any alpha hydrogen. Okay, first time taking it is the alpha dash. Okay, पहले alpha dash लेते हैं, sorry alpha लेते हैं. ठीक है, then what's happening? देखो just one W, then again V, W and V, right? Double bond. Here this hydrogen left, carbon ion forming. Okay, here double bond as this. Now this negative charge going here, next aldehyde, and this going to here. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fifth carbon and second carbon. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 bonds. 4 membered ring is forming. 4 membered ring is forming. I'm giving here 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth carbon connected to second carbon. And fifth is connected to sixth and seventh. Double bond O. The second is having O minus. Furtherly, it's forming OH. This OH. Okay. In the presence of H plus, it becomes OH. Sir, H कहाँ से आया? H तो इधर से. OH minus and taking. Here you can write minus H2. This OH minus and taking this alpha hydrogen. Water is removing. From that water only, one H plus consumed here. Okay. Our heading is intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. Condensation reaction. So obviously double bond. Here it is forming. Okay, this is the one of the products. Take one more alpha. I will take now alpha hydrogen. The terminal one I am taking. Okay, right. First W, then V. Double bond O. Here it is forming CH2 minus. Now this minus C. Obviously, either to attack nahi hoga. So this one is attacking here O minus. I'm giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, right. Right. Next. So 6 member ring banega. Total 7 में just one carbon छोड़ दो. So right. 6 member ring. I'm making first 6 member ring. I'm giving the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second carbon and seventh carbon is connecting. See, first carbon, suppose if it is a 1, it is second hoga. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, it is the seventh carbon. Seventh carbon connected to second carbon. On second carbon, now OH group should be present. Then sixth carbon double bond O will be there. On sixth carbon double bond O. Sorry. It is the seventh, na? Sixth carbon is this one, double bond O is there. Hello, understood this much? Okay, I removed alpha hydrogen. Okay, carbon ion. This carbon ion is attacking on the carbonyl position. Okay. So to understand easily, I given the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The seventh carbon connected to second carbon. Seventh carbon connected to second carbon. On second, it becomes OH. Okay, here minus H2O. From here to here, H plus. OH, double bond O as this. Where? Sixth position. Sixth position, double bond O as. Clear? Right. Abhi, now I am heating. Then water molecule should release. Abhi, two possibilities. Water molecule, double bond. In between 2 and 3 also possible. In between 2 and 7 also possible. Where I have to take the double bond? 2, 3 or 2, 7? Where I have to take the double bond? 2, 3 or 2, 7? 2, 7. In between 2, 7. क्योंकि conjugation में होगा double bond. Right? See here, sixth position double bond O. Here now 2 and 6 between double bond is there. Now like this. This is the product. Now tell me two products are there. Which is the more stable over? 100% it is the major product, because 4-membered is unstable. 4-membered ring is unstable. Okay, so major product, 5-membered and 6-membered rings are forming majorly. Okay, 4-member, 3-member never forms. Okay, so you can write it as this. Understood clearly? Not of course. Claisen, condensation. Similar to Aldol, but functional rules are different. Now, write one statement. When two molecules of ester, when two molecules of ester, when two molecules of ester undergo a condensation reaction, undergo a condensation reaction. Condensation reaction in the presence of sodium alkoxides, sodium alkoxide, okay, right, two molecules of ester, right, CH3 C double bond O ethyl, ethyl acetate I'm taking, reaction with, see, 2 moles, the presence of sodium ethoxide I'm taking. Sodium ethoxide. Okay. So first we will write the mechanism, then product also simultaneously. I am taking strong base. So strong base I am taking. So what happening? Alpha hydrogen remove. So CH2 minus C double bond O ethyl as it is. In the next step, one more ester is there. CH3 C double bond O ethyl. Same similar mechanism, aldol condensation. What's happening? This carbon ion is attacking another aldehyde, but here another ester, carbonyl group. So it is coming back. O minus becoming, when O minus is going back, then ethanoate is releasing. Not ethanoate, ethoxide is releasing. Right? Now I am writing here CH3 C double bond O. This O ethyl left. Now in that place CH2 C double bond O ethyl. Okay, what it is? Beta keto ester. Here, keep the question mark. Here you can write beta keto ester. Beta keto ester is coming. Understood? Okay, I am giving one question. ethyl benzoate reacting with butyl ethyl butanoate. Ethyl butanoate. What will be the product? Write the IUPAC of the product. If you are unable to write IUPAC, at least common name, yeah, at least write the product. Here the reagent is sodium ethoxide. Written everyone? This one. See in the statement, one you written this much now. Undergo a condensation reaction. After that, you continue one word. Produce beta keto ester. Produce beta keto ester. In the statement, you continue the line. Produce beta keto ester. Undergo condensation reaction. Produce beta keto ester. Here, benzoate. Here there is no alpha hydrogens. No alpha hydrogens. Keep it as it is. So from this you take alpha hydrogen, right? I am taking CH3, CH2, CH2, CH 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a butanoate. Okay. Now I am taking minus because it is alpha hydrogen. Okay. Then it is reacting here. Then it is going up, coming back, releasing. Then writing direct product. One benzene ring. Here C double bond O. This carbon here, this carbon, alpha carbon, CH. It is attached to C double bond O ethyl. Another C2H5. The CH2 CH3 together I written C2H5. Understood? Next, intramolecular Claisen condensation. Claisen तो हो गया था, अभी intramolecular. Intramolecular Claisen condensation reaction. Star mark. Because two reactions these are. It is also known as Dickman reaction. It is also known as Dickman reaction. DIECK-MANN. Dickman condensation reaction. Dickman condensation. Okay. Intramolecular Claisen condensation. Claisen में क्या होता है? Esters. Okay, two ester functional groups are there. Right. Right. What I'm using here, sodium methoxide, CH3CH2O minus Na plus. The first step what happening? You can take here alpha hydrogen, here also alpha hydrogen, here also alpha hydrogen. Anything you can take. Okay, if you take from here, it's okay, fine. So here it is minus. This minus is attacking here. We know that O minus, then O minus is going back, then O ethyl releasing. Then see, I'm writing here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the bond is forming between 1 and 6 carbon, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 1, 6 and 1. On 6th carbon, like this, C double bond O ethyl is there. On first carbon, double bond O is there. And O ethyl left, double bond. This is the product. And here one note point. Instead of sodium methoxide, you can take here sodium methoxide is suitable. Why? Because see, okay, keep it as this. See, why methoxide I am taking? Suppose if you take here methyl, if you ethyl already written, don't cut it, remain as this. But you have to know that's I am telling. See, suppose if you are taking here methyl, if you are taking methyl here, you take methoxide. If you are taking ethyl, take ethoxide. No problem. Okay. These two things should be same. That is the thing. Okay. Already if you written ethyl, either also ethyl. It should be. Understood? Claisen condensation reaction. It is also intramolecular Claisen condensation. It is also known as Dickmann condensation reaction. It is also known as Dickmann condensation reaction. Next, Perkin reaction. Perkin. Over this one, understood this much clearly? Is there any doubts? Everyone understood? Write the statement. It is the condensation reaction between aromatic aldehydes and aliphatic acid anhydride. Aliphatic acid anhydride. Aliphatic acid anhydride. In the presence of in the presence of sodium carboxylate, in the presence of the respective sodium carboxylate. Here it is also compulsory. This acid anhydride and this acid both should be same. In the presence of respective sodium carboxylate to yield alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acids. Alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acids. Aromatic acids. Okay, I'm taking the example benzaldehyde. I'm taking anhydride, suppose acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. I should take here sodium acetate only. Acetic anhydride means sodium acetate. CH3 C double bond O N A. O minus Na plus. Okay. Reaction is similar. See mechanism. The benzene. Here mechanism actually anhydride is involving. Okay. But to write the product, very easy product, you can write, see this is the alpha position because both are we are taking same. That's why always your answer will be correct. Okay. They never ask you which one is involving. But in the mechanism, this one is involving. But writing easy, you can take oxygen and these two hydrogens. Remove the water molecule. Similar to aldol condensation again. Same aldol condensation. Once again I will repeat. What we did in the aldol condensation? Double bond O, CH3, C double bond O, H. Two aldehydes I am taking. I just remove the water molecule. One aldehyde oxygen, another aldehyde ka alpha hydrogens. Remove the water molecule, वो बन गया alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Same oxygen and two hydrogens. Remove it. Then CH double bond CH C double bond O minus Na plus. So why we are taking this anhydride in that case? Actually anhydride involving, but two steps are increasing, that's all. Okay, it's a continuation, one more reaction. Suppose both anhydrides are there. One reaction, taulic anhydride. याद है taulic anhydride, taulic acid, taulic anhydride. Okay, if taulic anhydride is there, same reaction remaining as it is. Acetic anhydride, sodium acetate as it is I am taking. Then what will happen? So any one of this oxygen is left, similar mechanism. In the first case aldehyde is there, that's why aldehyde oxygen left. Here it is just like a ketone acting as ketone. One double bond O is as it is. Here it is forming double bond CH C double bond O minus Na plus. See here, what it is releasing? Here H2O is releasing, minus H2O. You write this one also, minus H2O releasing. So already water is there. So you are taking NaOH in this reaction? No. Only sodium acetate we are taking. Next. Benzaldehyde reaction with malonic ester. Benzaldehyde reaction with malonic ester. Malonic ester CH2. See dicarboxylic acid. बाकी है ना carboxylic acid. You have to learn dicarboxylic acid names. Oxalic acid, already I given you in the nomenclature. Malonic acid, I can tell you. Oh my, such good apple. The nomenclature make a hint, you can remember. Oxalic acid is this one. COOH, COOH. Already you written this one. Okay. The 0 O is indicating 0 CH2 groups in between COOH and COOH. COOH COOH के बीच में एक CH2 रहे तो that is malonic malonic acid. Malonic acid. If two CH2 groups are there, so two CH2 groups, CH2 CH2, it is attached to COOH, attached to COOH. 0 CH2, 1 CH2, 2 CH2. 2 CH2 है तो इसका बोलते हैं succinic acid. Succinic acid. What is this one? Malonic acid. You can note down now only. Malonic acid, succinic acid. Next. G for COOH COOH के बीच में not visible.
Left side is not visible.
Yes. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oxalic acid. This first one is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. Okay. 0 CH2 groups in between COOH and COOH. In between COOH and COOH, one CH2 is there, malonic acid. Malonic acid. In between COOH and COOH, two CH2 groups are there, succinic acid. Oh my, such good. Glutaric acid. Itna 3 CH2 groups are there. Glutaric. Glutaric acid. Then last COOH and COOH के बीच में 4 CH2 groups are there. That is adipic acid. Adipic acid. Again I am repeating: oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid. One hint, मतलब वो एप्पल है बहुत अच्छा है ऐसा मीनिंग है. Oh my, such good apple. You can make another one also, no problem. But oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid. इस सब डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का एक nomenclature. Now the reaction is benzaldehyde reaction with malonic acid. What do you kept the benzaldehyde reaction with malonic acid and malonic ester? Malonic ester. Malonic ester. So O ethyl. This one also C double bond O ethyl. Malonic ester. Now this methylene group is active methylene groups. It is called active methylene groups. Active methylene groups. Active methylene groups. That means acidic hydrogen या active hydrogen होता है. This hydrogen is Grignard reagent is there. Suppose Grignard reagent is giving alkanes. The Grignard reagent giving alkane. This hydrogen is leaving as H plus. Grignard reagent water के साथ alkane, alcohol के साथ alkane, phenol, alkane. So amines giving alkanes. So similarly, this active methylene group react with the Grignard reagent giving alkane. Okay. So now I am taking here base. Just that weak base I am taking. Just pyridine. Pyridine. What is a pyridine? Benzene type structure. N is there. Okay, remaining 3 pi bonds alternate. Pyridine. The pyridine is taking hydrogen from this. Okay, so same mechanism again, aldol condensation type. What's happening? These two hydrogens and this oxygen, simply water molecule left. Water molecule is releasing. Benzene CH2 double bond C. Here ester group is there. Here also ester group is there. Right? This is the product. Now by the hydrolysis H3O plus ester becomes carboxylic acid. Ester becomes carboxylic acid. It is CH2, right? CH2 has wait. CH2 is only C. CH. It is not CH2. CH, right? CH double bond C. COOH and COOH. In the last equations we written, if you heat the dicarboxylic acid, whenever at beta position, it is alpha and it is a beta position, either only C double bond O or carboxylic acid. Suppose here at beta position, only C double bond O group is there. Then also this carbon dioxide is releasing. From one carboxylic acid, at a beta position, if a C double bond O group is there, easily decarboxylation takes place. Then what will happen now? I am heating, so it is CO2 jayega. Either that one or this one. Okay, I am removing this CO2. Then final product, benzene CH double bond CHCOOH. What it is in the starting nomenclature written that cinnamic acid, common name. Okay, once again I am taking benzaldehyde, active methylene group containing carboxylic ester. I am taking diesters, that is malonic ester So in the presence of base, carbon ion forming, finally alpha beta unsaturated esters are forming. Then by the hydrolysis giving carboxylic acid, by heating decarboxylation takes place. Okay, you can write here minus CO2 or you can write here plus CO2 upper gas. Understood? Reformers reaction. Carbonyl compounds react with alpha bromo ester, alpha bromo ester, alpha bromo ester to alpha bromo ester forming beta hydroxy ester, forming beta hydroxy ester, beta hydroxy ester in the presence of zinc, in the presence of zinc. Okay, carbonyl compounds. I am taking carbonyl compounds. Zinc, continue. It is similar to Grignard mechanism, Grignard reaction. Grignard reaction. Carbonyl compounds react with alpha bromo ester. Okay, you can take any ester, C double bond O ethyl. Here bromine, I am taking CH3. Alpha bromo ester I am taking. In the presence of zinc and benzene, the solvent, it is forming beta hydroxy ester. See what's happening here. See, just put the question mark there, write the mechanism. See RX and zinc. What's happening here? RX and zinc similar to Grignard reagent. Like I recall you, RX plus magnesium is there. What will happen? RMgX is forming. It is a Grignard reagent. RX and zinc is there. It is forming initially CH3 CH बीच में zinc, then Br. Okay, right. Then remaining as it is C double bond O ethyl. Now it is react with ketone CH3 C double bond OCH3. Right, I am taking acetone here. In the RMgX, what will happen? Suppose here ketone is there. Okay, this pi bond going there, delta minus delta plus, R minus MgX plus. This R minus is attacking at carbonyl position. MgX going on oxygen. Similarly, here this total group is attacking, especially this carbon is attacking. Okay, this carbon is attacking on the carbonyl position. Okay, CH3, CH, C double bond O ethyl. Keep it as it is. Now this CH is connected to this ketone. Here O minus, methyl, methyl. Of course, O minus is there means Zn Br. It will come Zn plus Br minus. In the further, what will happen? See, in the Grignard reagent, just hydrolysis. Then here it will come OH. So I am writing here CH3, CH, COO ethyl. Ether, this ester it is. Then here CH3, CH3. Here it becomes OH. What is the product? Beta hydroxy ester. देखो one numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Alpha carbon and beta carbon. It is alpha carbon, it is a beta carbon. Beta hydroxy ester. Beta hydroxy ester. Understood? Similar to Grignard reagent mechanism. What happened? Zinc inserted here. RMGX. It is organometallic compound now. OMC. OMC. Organometallic compound. Metal is connected with carbon. Same Grignard reagent mechanism as it is. Attacking at carbonyl position O minus, then O minus plus zinc Br like MgBr, then hydrolysis forming alcohol. It is the dimerization of two aromatic aldehydes. It is the reaction of dimerization. It is the reaction of dimerization of two aromatic aldehydes. Two aromatic aldehydes under the catalytic influence of cyanide ion. Under the catalytic influence of cyanide ion. Right. C6H5CHO. Dimerization means obviously 2 moles we have to take, right? In the presence of cyanide minus, it is giving benzene C double bond O CH2OH and again benzene. The common name is benzoin. Okay, how it is forming? Mechanism. Oxygen partially negative, carbon partially positive. So I am taking cyanide minus. Obviously, it is attacking at carbonate position. Then instead of every time benzene, I can write PH. PH means benzene only. PHCO minus. Here hydrogen cyanide. Resonance, you can write PH carbon cyanide is there. See, this hydrogen is shifting here, forming CnOH and carbon ionic forming. Carbon ionic forming, C minus. Now, I am taking another benzaldehyde, PHC double bond OH. Now this carbon ion, normal mechanism. Next, PH, this carbon cyanide is there, OH is there, new bond formation, carbon O minus, hydrogen, here it is PH. Then cyanide is a good leaving group. So in the next step, C double bond OJ. Product. Okay, right. PHC double bond O. This cyanide is left. Then CO minus, hydrogen and pH. The next H3O plus, it becomes OH. pH, C double bond O, CH, OH and pH. These are the benzoin. Benzoin. One is double bond O, one is OH. OH, right. See once again, it is a dimerization reaction of aromatic aldehyde in the presence of cyanide. Cyanide is the best nucleophile. Cn minus attacking at carbonyl position. Okay, it is forming. Okay, thoda variety and a new step here, only this thing. Here carbon ion forming. Initially what's happening? O minus oxide is forming, but this rearrangement only new thing in this reaction. Remaining normal mechanism. Only one thing here. Okay, so carbon ion is forming here. Okay, generally carbon ion कब formation होता है? Whenever alpha hydrogen is there, but here there is no alpha hydrogen, फिर भी carbon ion is forming. That is only unique in this reaction. Cyanide is attacking, then oxide is forming, but due to rearrangement, the H is going to oxygen and finally forming carbon ion. You may ask, sir, why it's happening? So you can see here O minus and C minus, which is more stable. This one is the more stable. That's why it's happening. कुछ तो reason होगा. It is more stable. That's why this rearrangement took place. Then you can ask, sir, why is more stable? More stable because this cyanide is minus mesomeric group. minus inductive and minus mesomeric. So carbon ion is more stable when minus mesomeric groups are there. Okay, so that's why it is more stable compared to O minus. C minus is more stable, so it is forming. Then normal mechanism, aldol condensation like nucleophile attacking at carbonyl position, then O minus going there. Okay, O minus, then here, then OH coming back. Cyanide left. This H plus left now as H plus. This is only coming to here, forming OH. Understood? Understood or not? If you are not understood, I will tell one more time. Okay, here only this step is unique step. Here reason is there why this oxide is becoming carbon ion. Because cyanide is there, it's a more stable. That's why we are taking cyanide. Okay, right. Just cyanide as a catalyst. वो initially आ गया था बीच में गया. Finally, product forming. C6H5, C double bond O, C double bond O, C6H5. It is benzyl. It is the benzyl. In the presence of NaOH, mechanism में क्या होता है? OH minus attacking at any one of the position, then O minus. Then while it is coming back, again C6H5, C double bond O, O minus, C6H5, here OH. While it is coming back, here living group, OH तो अभी आ गया, तो नहीं जा सकती. कौन जाएगा? Then this phenyl group is migrating to next carbonyl position. Rearrangement. This is a, see, already one benzene ring is there. pH. C. Immediately this pi bond going to up. Here O minus. This pH migrated pH. Remaining as it is, double bond O, OH. But carboxylic acid, alkoxide, rearrangement inside. Because acid means donating H plus. Alkoxide is a basic in nature. So it is forming rearrangement. pH, pH, 2 pH, here OH group. Then C double bond O, O minus. Why O minus? Because NaOH is there. That's why. See, in the product, always salts are forming if you take sodium hydroxide. Suppose here diluted HCl is there. You can take carboxylic acid. Okay, hydrolysis is there. You can take. But if there is no hydrolysis, only NaOH is there, means 100% in the product salt we will get it. Now this name, sodium salt of benzylic acid. Sodium salt of benzylic acid. Benzylic acid. Sodium salt of benzylic acid. पिनाकोल पिनाकोलोन रीअरेंजमेंट सुना है आगे आगे वो भी सिमिलर रहता है OH OH ग्रुप रहता है H2SO4 पिनाकोल पिनाकोलोन रीअरेंजमेंट अल्कोहल्स में आया था once you check it done ना okay वो भी सिमिलर रहता है इधर OH OH protonation removing water molecule again inside rearrangement takes place